Hi, and welcome to Everlaw. My name is Katie, I'm on the user education team, and today I'll be talking about a powerful tool that can help facilitate efficient review. Predictive coding is a type of technology-assisted review, otherwise known as TAR. More specifically, this is a type of supervised machine learning technology that enables computers to learn from human input and make educated guesses when classifying documents. But how does it work in Everlaw? By leveraging the work that reviewers are already doing, such as rating documents, the predictive coding tool will look at those reviewed documents where a decision has already been made, and based on their text and metadata, make educated guesses about why those documents were rated a certain way. Then it will generate a score for each document in the project from 0 to 100, indicating how likely a document would be rated a certain way if a decision were to be made by a reviewer. This is great for identifying sets of documents to prioritize, which may come in handy when you're working in projects with millions of documents. To create a model, first you need to tell the model what has been reviewed. Use the query builder to identify the documents that you want the model to learn from. In this example, reviewers in this project have been coding for responsiveness. Then, you need to tell the model what you want it to find. More specifically, what is going to be the most relevant for you. In this example, I want to make the model find documents that are most likely to be coded as responsive. Lastly, you can decide if you don't want the model to learn from specific documents, even if those documents have been coded in a way that matches the criteria set in previous steps. These are your exclusions. By default, Everlaw excludes produced documents to prevent redundant and duplicative document suggestions. You can remove this criteria as needed. Finally, enter a name for your model to finish creating it. You might be thinking, well, now what?
The model needs at least 200 unique documents to be reviewed, with at least 50 relevant and 50 irrelevant. In the example model that we created, that means at least 200 unique documents must be coded under the responsiveness category, and at least 50 must be coded as responsive, with 50 coded not responsive.
Once you meet the threshold, it may take 24 to 48 hours for a model to get started. Remember, the model is looking for each document in your project and giving it a score. So for projects with over millions of documents, it may take a little longer initially. After a model has generated statistics, at the top of the page, you'll see action items and a distribution graph. The model will automatically update on a daily basis as long as there is new review work or new documents to consider. Now you know how to create a predictive coding model and what's needed. Simply decide what you want the model to learn from, what you want the model to find, and what should be excluded. Then, review documents to get your model started.
Your Everlaw contract includes access to our support team, user community, and training center. Thank you and have a great day.